So the theme of this week basically is how neglect can lead to an increase in personal costs and it can affect your personal finance. So, for example, you might have noticed I'm wearing shades. So basically, the reason why is because my glasses broke. They completely broke beyond repair. I was trying to fix them with super glue, but even the super glue won't hold anymore. I wasn't able to go to the optician because of various reasons. Dealing with the optician in post-pandemic world is not always simple. I did definitely neglect these glasses and I mistreated them over the years. They dropped on the floor a lot. They were not treated well because I had the assumption in my brain of they're titanium. They will never break, right? They broke. Simple as that. So basically, I'm going to try and make sure that when I get new glasses and I can actually see and I'm not in perpetual darkness anymore, that I treat them like gold dust. So it's a very simple concept. It's a very simple thing. But the thing is, the glasses are a necessary expense in my life. I need them to see, like clearly, and to read and so on. And also, as well, I took them for granted. Just like there's many things I've taken for granted in my life these days as well. So I'm trying my best to make sure that from now on, I don't make the mistake again with the glasses. I'll treat them like gold dust. Also, as well, something that I've noticed the last few days is because I'm now more wary of taking care of the glasses, I leave them on my desk rather than next to my bed. And as a result, it means I'm not reaching for my phone in the middle of the night. Because what I would do is I would reach for my phone after I put my glasses on and then just browse through, maybe play some apps, read some news, whatever. And it was affecting my quality of sleep. So now, as a result of leaving the glasses on the desk, so that's not an option for me anymore, I have improved my quality of sleep as well, which is an interesting bonus. So from now on, basically, I will take care of them. And it's one of those lessons that's always learned too late. Simple as that. I learned the lesson after the glasses were broken. Hopefully, this video can help prevent other people making the same mistakes in the future.